What is up, RC enthusiasts? David from Run.RC here. Today I've got for you guys another review on something different. Let's see what it is. It's the Crawler high-speed drift vehicle, they call it. It's actually a Ripsaw, if you guys ever seen that. And I was watching an episode of Top Gear. They tested this Ripsaw and they took it onto sand. So I'm guessing, since you guys see the beginning of this video, you guys know what's about to happen right now. Well, let's get that rig out and show you what that looks like. There you guys go, the Ripsaw. This is a good looking little rig, guys. You know, when I first saw it, I was like, you know, that's a little toy grade-ish. It might be, you know, a little chintzy and toyish and feel cheap, but, you know, this thing weighs a ton. It does not feel cheap at all. Doors open, so you could put a figure in there if you're one of those people. And, you know what? It actually looks good. Hopefully it performs as well as it looks, because we are taking it out onto sand today. And I've seen the Top Gear episode where it made it into sand, so this should do it, hopefully. Well, yeah, so this thing comes with a 1200 mAh 2-cell lithium-ion battery. When you get it, it's sitting back here in a box with a charger, and it's got a little balance charger that just plugs into your USB, and a little instruction manual. It wasn't too hard to understand the instruction manual. It's pretty straightforward, you know, just forward, backwards, left, and right. This is your controller right here. Uses 3 AA batteries down there. You have no trim or anything up here. This looks just like the Subotech 1520 transmitter, but it's got a steering trim and steering dual rate on that one. This one right here, you could actually feel the holes where they're supposed to be. I'm not sure if you guys can see those holes on camera, but I can feel them. So yeah, it's the same transmitter. It will bind to it. I have tried it. And everything is full proportional. Throttle is proportional. Steering is proportional. So yeah, I'm going to turn it on right now. On-off switches in the bottom. You got yourself a little LED light bar on the top right there. And as you can tell, it's full proportional. Alright, let's get this test going. So there you guys go. The little Ripsaw, 12 scale, pretty cool looking truck. And it's got rubber tracks on it. You saw me running this in sand right now. I don't recommend that. As you can tell in the video, all of the top row wheels have seized a little bit. You can feel grindiness in them and there's sand in them for sure. So sand run, not its thing, but you can do it if you're willing to clean it like I have to do right now after this run. So it's still fun. As you can see, you can do it. So yeah, I can recommend it. It is pretty beefy of a truck. If you look at the box, post a picture up somewhere here. It shows that it has metal gears in the transmission, but I did open this thing up and it does not have metal gears. And the board doesn't look waterproof, so don't submerge this in water unless you're willing to waterproof that board. So yeah, if you like this thing, go ahead and check it out. Got a link in the description below. I also have links to other cool deals on banggood.com, so go ahead and check those out. You might find yourself some savings down there. And yes, that's it for me. I say it's a yes on this. I can recommend it. I do say it can be pretty reliable, I believe, because I did romp this down my stairs, all the way down my stairs of my house, and it made it all the way down and did not break anything. So that was a pretty amazing feat. I was expecting to break something during that run, and I literally just did that when I got home right now. I don't know why I didn't record it, but oh well. There you go, guys. Pretty cool little rig right here, this little Ripsaw. And I was inspired by that Dubai run from Top Gear to take it out on the sand, and it did pretty alright. So there you guys go. Go out there, have some fun, have a great day, and go run that RC.